Hey yo, what is poppin', guys? It is your boy, Hilarious Rice Rockets, and I am back. You stupid wins. And today I have got a new car that I really want to show y'all that I got so much plans for. I did sell the truck, sadly, but this car is gonna be out like insane time I get done with it. Let me just go ahead and pull it on out here for you. Alright, right here I got the 2001 Honda Civic EX Coupe EM2. I will, we will be getting, new things here soon. I can't spoil the surprise, but here's a little walk around. Now I will try and upload on this channel as much as I can, but I don't know if I will be able to. But hopefully I can. So yeah, right there was a walk around of my Civic. I got a video coming out Saturday night or Sunday, either one of those two. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. So yeah, we got some good things coming to the Civic soon and everything, and yeah, so if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for your boy. Let's try and reach I don't know, 100 subscribers, 50, let's go for 50 subscribers, please. I'm trying to get up there, man. If you want to see more videos like this, give me the 50 subscribers and 15 likes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. It's been your boy Larry, and peace out.